In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on a Facebook business page from your smartphone. And there's actually a better app to use for this than the regular Facebook app. All right, let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you are struggling, frustrated at all with your social media marketing for your business, you feel like that the efforts that you're putting out are nothing in compared to the little bit that you're getting in return, you're in a great place. Every week, we help you out with a quick video to help you with a different piece of your social media marketing strategy. So if that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell, and that way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on a Facebook business page from your smartphone. There's actually a better app to use for this than the regular Facebook app. It's called the Facebook Pages Manager app. So if you don't have that yet, make sure to download that at the end of the tutorial. I've got the links in the description of this video. So I'm in the Facebook Page Manager app on my business page. And I'm going to start by just selecting Publish here on the left. If you wanted to do a photo or video, you could also go right to there. But let's go through the main Publish window. I tap that. Just like any post, you can start typing here. Down here, these are all the colored backgrounds if you wanted to do a text post with a colored background. And just below that, I'm going to tap this row that says Add to your post with these camera icons and everything else on the right here. And that brings up all of your different post options here. So camera would be if you were going to take a picture or a video live now. Photo video would be to select something from your camera roll. Background color, those are the colored backgrounds like we just talked about. Live video to do a Facebook Live. Check-in, these are all different options, just like on a Facebook business page on your computer. So let's go ahead and select something. I'm going to go ahead and choose this video for an upcoming free workshop I have from my camera roll. Then you're going to go ahead and add your caption. When your post is all set, you just hit continue here on the upper right corner. And then it says, when will this be published? Publish now, it says underneath. So if I just go ahead and hit publish, it will go up right away. But instead, I can tap on this arrow here on the right. It gives me the option to switch to schedule later. Then I just choose the time that I want the post to go up. Hit done. Now you'll notice it says, when will this be scheduled? Scheduled for later. The button on the upper right has changed from publish to the word schedule instead. I tap schedule, and that's it. It's done. Now, if you made a mistake, you want to go back and delete it or change the time, or maybe you didn't want to schedule it for later, you wanted to schedule it right away. In order to do that, down here on the lower right, you see this little toolbox. I click on that, and then on this menu, I can click Scheduled Posts. And the 3 dots here on the right, tap that. This allows me to reschedule it, publish it right away, or delete it entirely. I can't edit the caption here, so if you were to edit the caption, you'd either have to go do it on the desktop, or you could, of course, just create the post from scratch again, if that was an option. All right, again, if you don't have the Facebook Pages Manager app yet, I've got links to the app in both the Google Play Store and the App Store for iPhones and iPads in the description of this video. If this was helpful, please let me know by giving this video a like. Hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.